фронт и летят вперед, скрывшись за
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, artillery of the Zapad group of forces engaged the enemy units close to Dvorechная, Sinkovka, Olshana and Kotlarovka in Kharkov region. More than 50 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles and 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer were neutralized. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade was neutralized close to Kislovka. In the Krasny Liman direction, operational tactical aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center Group of Forces neutralized manpower and military equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Chervonaya Dibrova, Ploshchanka and Kuzmino in Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has suffered losses of over 90 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 pickup trucks, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer and D-30 howitzer in this direction in the past 24 hours. In total, 403 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,528 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,370 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,410 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,052 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 920 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 8 artillery units as well as 2 MLRS and 2 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 167,499 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,557 tanks, 6,887 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky paid a visit to Donetsk region and pleased all the fighters. Our people, our military, our Donetsk region, our Ukraine, we are at home, on our native land, hence, we will win Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 22nd.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!